Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 923 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitfarms has posted its January update. BIGG has announced some company milestones, and DMGI Blockchain Solutions has reported its financial results. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Right, so Bitfarms Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq as BITF, has posted a Bitcoin production and mining operations update for January 2023. Some highlights include the mining of 486 new Bitcoins, with a daily average of 15.7 mined, as well as the installation of 2,888 new micro-BT M30s into its Paraguay mining farm. This added a net 168 petahash per second in total hash rate at the site. Jeff Morphy, the company's CEO, explained, quote, "With our proven best-in-class operations, well-established corporate infrastructure, and team firmly in place, we are excited about the prospects in 2023 for both organic and transactional expansion emerging from the industry downturn. In January, we continued to deliver steady performance amidst a period of macro headwinds and predominantly low Bitcoin prices most of the month. Pursuing a disciplined approach to investment as the industry consolidates and recovers, we expect to benefit in 2023 and into the next halving event in 2024. End quote. Next up, Blockchain Intelligence Group, or BIG, the crypto investigations and training subsidiary of BIGG Digital Assets Inc., which trades on the CSE as BIGG, has announced significant company and industry milestones in global crypto investigations. This includes the addition of new customers, including Clearbank Limited, an enabler of real-time clearing and embedded banking for financial institutions, additional blockchain support, and new leadership hires. Lance Morgan, the president at Blockchain Intelligence Group, or BIG, commented, quote, "Growing security concerns, fraud, and other nefarious activity have driven demand for crypto investigations tools and training. By equipping the investigator community with comprehensive tools, coupled with education, we can ensure the continued trust and adoption in crypto and blockchain. Blockchain Intelligence Group stands ready to build on this forward progress and act as a resource as the industry matures, and there's more to come." End quote. Lastly for today, DMG Blockchain Solutions Inc., which trades on the TSXV as DMGI, has reported its fourth quarter and full fiscal year financial results. Highlights include a full-year revenue of $43.2 million Canadian and an increase in hash rate during the fiscal year 2022 from 15 petahash per second to 700 petahash per second. Sheldon Bennett, the company's CEO, said, quote, "DMG has successfully managed through a very difficult cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin to Canadian dollar price declining 56% during our financial year 2022. Despite these challenging market conditions, we outperformed many of our competitors, which experienced severe financial hardships as a result of the industry downturn and subsequent environment resulting from the FTX situation. Our prudent approach to drive growth, while carefully managing our balance sheet, enabled us to execute and continue to generate positive cash operating income. We ended the financial year with $10.5 million worth of cash and digital currency and no debt." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. This podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol AP.